Sure, give that to Jenny. Listen, drop. You say thank you to Alan and Rose and Rian.
Thank you,
And Jason and
Thank you, Alan and Rose.
and look at me. Show me that one. You cannot see your face. Just a minute. You cannot see your face. Messi. That's nice. And say
What
thank
is
you
it?
to Granddad.
Thank you, Granddad.
Messi. Look at me. I cannot see your face.
Go and have a wing.
Messi.
We should be aware of events which in the old days might have passed us by.
Why do you know?
The question of what we
Look.
can do
Show me.
putting our donations to use by looking on to the wounded,
Other one.
hungry, and the oppressed.
Okay.
Much of their work never reaches the
Oh,
outside television screens.
I've got boobs, haven't I?
Mm.
Facing here and then I cannot see your face.
Oh
What's that?
no! Robot.
Where that come from?
Feel especially left out.
It's from Father Christmas.
That's grandma.
I'm always moved
Look, yeah. Look, she hasn't put the name on, has she?
See?
Has he brought me the butcheries as well?
I think so. Have a look. Show me your... no, you don't open it. Show me your gift first and I will take the picture.
Good.
No, I cannot see. Like that. And look at me, Andrea. Thank you.
Thank you.
What, grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
And look at me. Right.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's unicorn as well.
Look at Johnny.
Yeah. Like that. Like that. Let's unicorn paper as well.
Johnny put it.
Oh, what's that, Jen? I cannot see her face in there. Go on, give her. Give to her.
I give it to her.
Yeah.
To maybe this.
Let, yeah, Messi.
Oh,
Like that, like that. I'm facing this way so that I can... Jenny! Look, Jen, what's that,
Dolly. A dolly, Jenny.
Ah, what's that, Jen? You like it, Jenny?
Another one.
Ah.
Another one.
Right, the other one. How about the paper now?
When I get it out. Here. Jenny. Clothes.
Oh, put that down. And then put that down here, the carton, and show to Jenny her clothes.
That's the left.
Jen.
Jenny, let her hold on there and put down the carton. Right, next to your toys, like that. And Jen, look at that, Jen! Jenny!
Other one.
Jenny, where's the one? Jen, I'm going to take a picture of this. Jen! Jenny! Ah.
Other one.
Yeah. So how about this one?
Yeah. Put them in with them.
Help her and show her how to do it. Yeah, show her how to do it. Go on. Andrian,
What?
show her how to do it.
She's cleaning it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can't eat it, Jenny.
Yeah, more. You want some more? Oh, that's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy, Jen. Now put that paper then. So, turn the paper, Jenny. Now help, Jen, help.
Help, Jenny.
Come on, get some.
Help.
Come on. Andrian. Go on.
She's not helping.
Messi, show the Jenny.
A doggy, Jenny. A doggy.
Oh, that's nice.
Busy wiggling.
Hold that, Jen, hold.
Up there. Up there. Get it out.
I'm facing this way, Andrian. Oh, what's that?
That plastic bag.
Got
Get
all
the
rubbish
plastic
in
bag.
it.
Andrian, get the plastic bag. Get the plastic bag. Oh, that's nice. Heidi, Regine. Get the plastic bag and let her. Jenny, hold the hanger, love. Give the hanger, Andrian.
What?
Give the hanger to Jenny.
Hiya. Hunger.
And look at me, look. Jenny. Jen. Jenny. Jenny. Right. The last one. And give that to Jenny. She can turn that last one.
Open it with me, Jenny.
Yeah. Turn first and then give to Jenny. Just a minute and then give to Jenny that now. Now. Or give to Jenny.
Jenny.
That's from your Auntie June. Jenny that said thank you. Andrian, give the paper. Give to here. Jenny. Jen? What's that, Jenny? Is that your gift? Look at it. You're tired. And that's it now, all your gifts. And you have to say thank you to your grandma with that. Hmm? Jenny, what's that? What's that, Jen? Jenny. Jenny, you want that doll? Yeah. That one. That's your best toys, isn't it? Jenny. No more the camera, love. Who's that, Jenny?
What's this? Is that yours? Yeah?
That's from your Auntie John.
Put that on there.
Jenny. That's from my Auntie Jen, isn't it, Jen?
Oh, there's another one there.
That's from Grandma.